Hi everyone, welcome to our Sprout session 4. It's about publishing. So we had Sprout session 3, which is about social listening. So we practiced how to listen on social media and we listened to your competitor brands on social media. So now we're going to learn how to publish using the platform of Sprout. So just to remind you, here we are. We already connected your brand IG page with Sprout. We set goals. We had the social listening session, and then you submitted your first weekly Sprout report on Canvas assignments. And I also want to remind you to follow your classmates' IG business profiles. They're on Canvas discussions. Publishing. So this is what we're going to talk about today. And after you watch this video, please upload your weekly Sprout report 2 on Canvas assignments. And then till April 14th, I want you to so you can upload anytime before April 14th, but April 14th is the deadline for you to upload your final project proposal and also proposal presentation video. So I ask you to, based on your listing and publishing assignments, what are the weaknesses you observe from your competitor? What are your brand social media strategies based on the listing assignment? So that will be your publishing plan that you're basing on your social listening data. So it's just a 2-page document, double-spaced, 11-point in Times New Roman. Please submit this also on Canvas assignments. And then our next topic will be engagement. Then you will submit your report 3. And then reports and analytics is the analytics time. It's my favorite time. And then you'll finally get to see your own data. How have you been doing on your own IG business profile? And that'll be report 4. So after analytics, please submit your report 4. And then we have our overarching kind of lectures for at the end of the semester for measuring the impact and engagement. So it's the extension of the engagement lecture and then social monitoring. Then at the end of our semester, it's a really short semester, but from April 25th till 29th, I want you to upload your final presentations video on Canvas. And on April 29th, that's the deadline for the final paper. So include the results of your weekly reports and also based on listening, what kind of publishing have you done throughout the semester? And also based on this publishing plan that you had after watching this video, what are your reports like? So you have been publishing, you have been posting on your page 3 to 5 times a week and you must have some engagement with your publics. So I would love to know, what are your reports like? How did you use the analytics tools we learned for your brand? Show us your efforts in increasing the engagement. I want to see the direct messages and comments, how you have been dealing with them. Okay, so I want to hear everyone's publishing goals. This was one of the questions I asked in the last Sprout session video. So what's your goal? Also, let's keep very consistent. Consistency is the key for any successful social media post. So post high quality posts consistently, engage when you're reaching people. And after watching this video, you'll keep posting on your account every week. So pick 2 to 3 templated content pillar posts. It could be based on what industry that you're in, what kind of business that you created on Instagram. I would like to see, for instance, listing of the day, industry article, or any health tips if you're doing anything related to health. 1 to 2 unique and creative posts every week. So at the end of the week, you'll have 3 to 5 posts for about 8 weeks, right? For publishing, I recommend 2 tools. So Canva is where you can design, like the examples you can see on the right here. Nights out, lights out. So it's so visualized, very visually pleasing to see this kind of messaging, right? So you can create social media post, then you can also download it as an image, and then you can directly use Canva on Sprout as well. And pexels.com is where you can source the free images on stock images. So this is how you are publishing. So this is my account that I connected to Sprout, professor.hyo. Please follow me so I can follow you as well. So if you see the note and pen sign on the top right here, the sky blue circle, click here and then you will see where you can create a new post. you will see your IG business account is connected to your Sprout account. So here you see the Instagram sign and then Hyoyeon Jun, PhD, Professor Dahyo, options to design on Canva and upload directly. So when you click the camera sign, you will see upload images, design on Canva. It's kind of a new function on Sprout, so I hope you all enjoy it. You can also see the options to design Canva and upload directly, and then you can also see the preview on the right. When I posted this image, and then on the right side, network preview is where you see the preview of the social media post you want to post. What could be the benefits of writing all your hashtags in your first comment? Because they have this function saying Instagram first comment. And whenever you go to a brand channel, you'll see a lot of brands are taking this strategy. So I want to ask you guys as our discussion question from this video, what would be the reason from your assumption? And then also, if you go down, you'll see the tags and then when to post. This is really fun because if you click use optimal time, they give you the most optimal time for my kind of business targeted audience. So I registered my business profile as education. So apparently for the education pages, 8:08 p.m. is the most ideal time to post. So you have three choices. You can either immediately post your post or schedule with a queue, and then also you can schedule with a specific day and time, as you can see it here. Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. You can never go back to the past, but whenever it's in the future, in the near future, you can select the exactly specific time and day. They also provide you the most optimal time if you want to post at a specific day and time. So it's like why using Sprout to publish your post is better then we just do it manually, because it has all this data automatically telling us if you post around 8 o'clock is the most ideal. So I hope you guys can try this too. So if you come to the publishing on your dashboard and then you click calendar, you'll see a lot of your classmates scheduled for the posts as well. So publishing, based on your social listening profiles, what could you learn from your competitor? So I hope you can see listening and publishing, they're very deeply connected because we just listen to the competitor that we kind of want to win. And then based on listening to their data, what can we do better, right? And then what type of posts increased their engagement? And then anything you want to avoid by looking at their listening profile. So their weaknesses. And it's time to post after you watch this video. I'll check in with everyone about the listing profile and publishing. For the next Sprout session, so before we getting into engagement, I want you to upload your final project proposal presentation and then also the final project proposal. Because final project proposal is still publishing, so we are not going into engagement or analytics yet. But I want to ask you guys, based on your listening and publishing assignments, what are the weaknesses you observed from your competitor? What are your brand's social media strategies based on the listening assignment? So I'm asking you to submit 2-page document, 11-point Times New Roman, double-spaced. Please submit this on Canvas assignments. Due is April 14th, so you can submit it anytime before April 14th. Based on what you wrote, upload a 5-minute presentation video. And if you cannot find the upload media button on Canvas, please just email me and I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, that's the end of today's lecture for publishing. I hope everyone practices how to publish on Sprout, and I can't wait to see all these fun posts that you will create. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture video. Bye!